Achung.
Eh? Hey, isn't this you?
This was actually a very long time ago. Back then, I was quite famous. I even have my own TV shows called Nat Bio.
Oh, really?
Let me show them.
An ecosystem can change due to natural events like volcano eruptions, earthquakes, drought, and human activities like mining. This applies to the mangrove ecosystem too. The mangrove has three zones: coastal, middle, and inland. During high tide, water carries mud and organic substances. As the tide recedes, Avicennia species and pneumatophores trap these materials, leading to gradual mud accumulation and denser soil. Rhizophora species replaces the pioneer species. In the middle zone, the tangled prop roots of Rhizophora species trap twigs and mud, obstructing water flow and causing faster sedimentation. This raises and dries the riverbank, reducing seawater overflow during high tides. The soil becomes less suitable for Rhizophora species and is replaced by Bruguera species. In the inland zone, the soil becomes higher and harder, with seawater flowing only during high tides. Sedimentation creates a new swamp extending towards the sea. The coastal area transforms into land suitable for terrestrial species like Nipah fruticans and Pandanus species.
Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. Come on, let me tell you something about mangrove ecosystem, what makes it so special. First, let's talk about the leaves. It has a very thick cuticle and also has sunken stomata, which can reduce rate of transpiration. Next one, the leaves has hydathodes, which is this structure. It can help eliminate excess salt. And the third one is kind of a special fact because the old leaves can store salt. And when the salt concentration is too much, the leaves will fall down. Oh, I'm not done yet. Come follow me. Here we are. Let's talk about the roots. It has unique shape and sizes, which branches widely, and it also has pneumatophores that has lenticels on it, which is for gaseous exchange with the atmosphere. Lastly, the cell sap of the mangrove tree has a higher salt concentration, which makes water to move inside of the cell sap instead of outside of the cell sap. Which, isn't it amazing?
Amazing!
Since mangrove is located in such a unique ecosystem, have you ever wondered if they live alone or do they have friends?
Of course, there is other species that inhabit the mangrove swamp. That is what I know of.
Mangrove fauna can be divided into three inhabitants: aquatic animals, semi-aquatic animals, and terrestrial animals. Let me tell you more about it. So, aquatic animals are animals that live in water for most of its life, while terrestrial animals are animals that live on ground. What about semi-aquatic animals? Semi-aquatic animals are animals that adapted to both water and on land. They can be found near bodies of water like rivers, lakes,
Here's a
or
summation
ponds.
of what she said.
Now we know that they don't live alone.
Here's a summation of what she said.
These are a few animals that live around the mangrove ecosystem, such as snakes, monkeys, spork, and mudskippers.
Oh, I see. I had a few that I searched on internet whilst you were explaining. Hehehe. There are many types of mangrove in Malaysia. Let me explain it to you. There are three main types of mangrove in Malaysia. First, we have Rhizophora. Rhizophora is the most common mangrove in Malaysia that can be found in both freshwater and saltwater environment. They can be characterized by their cream flower and off-white flower. Second, we have Avicennia. Avicennia mangrove are typically found in upper reach of mangrove forest, which the soil is less hilly than in the lower reach of mangrove forest. And third, we have Bulgaria. Bulgaria mangrove can be found in high salt content and they are characterized by their steel-like roots, which help them to anchor the tree in the softwood of the mangrove forest.
Good morning, I'm Ain and I'm here today to report on a pressing issue that threatens the very heart of our coastal ecosystems, sea reclamation. The process of converting coastal waters into land is posing a grave threat to mangrove species around the world. The practice of sea reclamation has gained momentum, driven by the need for land for development and infrastructure projects. Unfortunately, this practice often comes at the expense of mangrove forests, which are vital for our environment and communities. The ecological consequences are severe. Mangroves serve as nurseries for fish and shelter for numerous bird species. They also act as buffers against coastal erosion and storm surge. Sea reclamation disrupts this function. Sea reclamation isn't just an environmental issue, it's a human one too. Many coastal communities depend on mangroves for their livelihoods, which are threatened as these vital habitats disappear.
Now that we have learned all the things about mangrove trees, so what is the importance of these ecosystems? Let me lighten you up. First, it acts as protection zone, where it can lessen the impact of strong wind and waves when it comes to seashore area. Second, it acts as the source of income where the fishermen lives near the mangrove areas can get the fish from the mangrove areas. Third, it can also be a forestry resources where the mangrove woods can be used to build boats, handicraft, and also can be burned to produce charcoal. And lastly, it also can be used as food and medicine resources, where we can eat the food and the bark can be used to treat diarrhea.
Mangrove forest provides breeding and feeding grounds for a range of animals. It includes fish, crabs, birds, and some mammals. They also help to protect coastline from erosion from waves, storm, and tsunamis.
Well, that's me and my team.
Wow, I actually love that video. It's very cute.
Jom.
Actually has amnesia because she's in that video too. Lepas tu nanti kau ke belakang balik.
Aku pergi ke Arif ke? Tapi kau yang cakap.
Tak, dia yang cakap. Kau dengar
Dia
tak
yang
apa
cakap.
tadi?
Kau cakap apa?
Kau cakap apa tadi?
Aku cakap.
Satu, dua, tiga.